20 years has brought many great advancements to healthcare, and especially to breast health. However, those advancements did not translate to minimally invasive breast biopsy procedures in the prone positioning, until now. The Affirm Prone Breast Biopsy System has transformed prone biopsy as we know it, by marrying stereotactic biopsy technology with the advancements in image quality and capability to offer doctors the first dedicated prone biopsy system with 2D or 3D imaging-guided breast biopsy. The new system offers significant advancements in image quality and capability, biopsy workflow, and total access to the breast for a faster and more efficient procedure and ultimately an improved patient experience. The Affirm Prone Biopsy System offers full 360-degree breast access by positioning the built-in C-arm anywhere along the 180-degree rotation. This, combined with the unique ability to rotate the biopsy arm between standard and lateral needle approaches, provides maximum breast access. The Affirm system was designed with the patient and user in mind, offering a streamlined workflow with increased automation to make using the system fast and easy. There are 4 lightweight paddle options to meet the need of each individual's breast size, lesion location, and the doctor's desired approach. The X-ray translucent paddles help visualize tissue inside and outside of the biopsy window to confidently reposition the patient. Without direct view of the needle, the prone positioning allows for a more compassionate breast biopsy experience for your patient. And with the increased automation, you can focus more time on ensuring their comfort throughout the procedure. Once the patient is positioned, the breast is compressed using a motorized foot pedal and manual compression knob. The system will be locked to ensure there is no unintended motion during the procedure. The biopsy device is chosen from the drop-down list pre-programmed into the workstation and is designed to work seamlessly with Hologic's own ATEC, Eviva, and Future needles. The system will use the selected device to automatically calculate all safety margins during the procedure. When the breast is compressed, we acquire the scout images for positioning and targeting. The tube head is automated, eliminating any manual positioning and allowing images to be generated in a matter of seconds. In this case, tomo images were acquired for this 3D guided breast biopsy. Scrolling through the images, we locate the best one which clearly shows the area of interest. Then we left-click to target. It's that simple. Now the system knows precisely where the target is located in 3-dimensional space. Note, the numbers are correct and it is safe to proceed when the status indicators are all purple. Proceed with caution if the status indicators are yellow, and retarget completely if the status indicators are red. Once the targets are confirmed, the doctor will transmit the coordinates over to the biopsy control module on the table. After prepping the breast for biopsy, the technologist will automatically line up the biopsy device for insertion by pinching 2 buttons on the biopsy control module. At this point, when the device is aligned properly, the system will stop moving and coordinates will display yellow. The skin will be marked for incision, and then the needle is manually advanced until all coordinates read 0 and display in green. The device is actuated via the remote firing button to advance the needle directly to the target site. If desired, we can take tomosynthesis or 2D biopsy pre- and post-fire views to confirm positioning. We're ready to collect the tissue specimen. Using Hologic's Eviva system, the doctor is able to seamlessly deliver local anesthetic directly to the biopsy site during the procedure without any interruption. The console is then placed into lavage mode to irrigate the biopsy area with saline while the tissue samples are being verified. Using Hologic's Trident specimen radiography system, the biopsy core samples may be verified immediately. Once the doctor is satisfied with the core samples obtained, a small biopsy site marker will be placed directly into the area that was biopsied for future reference. One final tomosynthesis view confirms that the procedure was a success. As with any Hologic system, all of our images are DICOM and PACS compatible, and the new system operates using Windows 7 and is designed to be easily upgraded as technology evolves. In an early survey of patients post-procedure, more than 95% of them indicated the procedure was faster, more comfortable, and less painful than expected. And more than 98% said they would recommend the clinician and/or facility to a friend or family member. The Affirm Prone system allows you to bring the benefits of tomosynthesis to intervention. And with the increased automation, you're able to perform a faster and more efficient 2D or 3D guided breast biopsy for you and your patient, less time under compression, and most importantly, a more compassionate patient experience. That's the Affirm Prone Breast Biopsy System from Hologic.